Hello, welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today we're going to be doing a zesty chicken breast in the sous vide. Now I love cooking on the sous vide because it gets it that perfect temperature, and all you got to do is just finish it off in the frying pan or on the grill. So let's get into the recipe so that way I can show you how to make it. Okay, you want to start off by chopping up some garlic and chop up some cilantro while you're at it. We're going to be placing both of these items in the bags as the chicken cooks. We are also going to add a squeeze of a half of lime per bag so that way it can get that flavor in the chicken. This portion is optional. I don't need a full chicken breast. I actually just eat half of a chicken breast. So if you want to just eat half, just go ahead and fillet them in half. If you prefer the whole chicken breast, by all means keep it whole. So I have a mix of salt and pepper right here. You want to go ahead and season both sides of your chicken breast with that salt and pepper mix. You want to take a ziplock bag and you want to go ahead and place your chicken breasts in there. Go ahead and lay them flat because we want to get the garlic and the cilantro and the lime juice all mixed in there, so that way it'll season it evenly. Go ahead and take half of a lime and squeeze it in the bag. Make sure you get all those juices in there. Now you want to go ahead and place some of your cilantro and your garlic in there. Go ahead and take your bag and just give it a mix together. Mush everything around. You want to try to coat everything with the garlic and the cilantro and let some of that lime juice get all over your chicken breast. Okay, so we want to take our sous vide and put it in our pot. I did fill this pot up with some hot water coming out of the faucet. You want to go ahead and set your sous vide at 150 degrees. In the Anova app, we can start our sous vide so that way it can start cooking. Now you can see that the water is circulating, so that means that the sous vide is starting to heat up the water. Go ahead and let that heat up the water to 150 degrees, and once it's ready, we'll be putting in our chicken breasts. Now that the sous vide has the water set at 150 degrees, go ahead and place your bags in the pot. I didn't have any clips, but yeah, I already picked some up, but for this cook I didn't have any. So it's good to have the little clip so that way you can clip your bag to the side of the pot. So we're gonna let this cook for 1 hour. The water's not gonna go over 150 degrees, so it will not overcook it. So 1 hour is fine. In the Anova app, we're going to set a timer for 1 hour. Once the application notifies you that the timer is up, go ahead and shut off your sous vide. You want to stop the cooking process now. Now you want to go ahead and take your bags out of the pot, and let's get ready for the next step. Go ahead and get a skillet, oil it up, and get it heated. You want to go ahead and drop your chicken breasts in there once it's all heated up. You're going to cook these for about 2 minutes per side. You just want to get them golden brown on the exterior, and then you want to remove them. Especially using a cast iron skillet, you'll be able to achieve this a little bit faster. Like I said, you just want to kind of brown the sides a little bit. You don't want to cook it for too long. You just want like about 2 minutes per side. Once you get them all cooked up, you're ready to serve. Look at that. Fully cooked and very juicy. There's a lot of juices in those. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that we can see all my future videos. Do me a favor and hit that like button, and if you have any questions about this recipe, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. Oh yeah, check out my social media. And while you're at it, go check out these 2 other videos. Y'all take care and be beautiful.